morning student, welcome to online class conducted by Sandyam School and College. Today's video for class 3rd subject computer. Chapter 1st, know your computer. This is the second part of this chapter. Today we will start the reading from page number 9. Okay. Before starting the reading of this chapter, we will revise what we have discussed in the previous video. First of all, we have discussed what is the computer, what is the use of computer. We have discussed it already. Okay, and how computer work, what is the process of working of the computer. We have discussed here. There is the three process of the computer working. First, input, then its process, then output. These are the three numbers of the process of the computer. Okay. Then after today we will discuss about the part of the computers. There are the two types, hardware and software. Okay, the computer system is hardware and software. If you have a book, you can look at page number 8. There is the two part, hardware and software. Hardware, input device, output device. Today we will discuss about the input device and output device. How many? These are all the parts. Okay, let us start. Look at board. Hardware. These are two types. First, input device. Second, output device. Okay. Then, start input device. There are a number of devices of input device. Through these devices, we can give the instruction to the computer for doing anything. You know, as we know, computer are ready to work any type of work which given to by us. Okay. Then first device is keyboard, second mouse, third light pad, joystick, gamepad, touch screen, touchpad, scanner, microphone, digital camera, webcam, and crossing device. It means CPU. Okay, we will discuss it in detail by reading this chapter. Okay, first of all, we should know what is the full form of processing device. This is called CPU. Its full form, Central Processing Unit. Okay, CPU has mainly three parts. It has three mainly parts by which it do work. Arithmetic and logical unit. This is the first unit, and its abbreviation is ALU. A stand by arithmetic, and L stand by logical, and U stand by unit. And second, control unit. It stand by CU. C stand control, U stand unit. Okay, and memory unit. It stand MU, memory, M and U unit. Okay, let us start from the board. Hardware. All the physical part of the computer which can be seen to touch are called hardware. Okay, all the part of the computer which we can see and touch, it called hardware. The hardware parts are further classified into input devices. Mainly the parts which are hardware we can see and touch them. It is called the input devices, processing devices, output devices, and the storage data and instructions to it are called the input devices. Understood? What is the meaning of here of these lines? Part of computer by which we can give the instruction to the computer and we can feed the data to the computer is called input device. Okay, there is all the called input device. Some of the input devices are, these are the first keyboard. Okay, you have seen the keyboard many times by using computers. Okay, look at this. This is your keyboard. Okay, this is the process. There are the number of the keys. Okay, these are tabs. This is big key is enter. This is the backspace. Okay, shift and arrows. We can go anywhere, any direction, up, down, left and right by this. Okay, this is the enter space. This is the space key. This is the enter key. This is the shift control, and these are the number of using keys. Okay, by printing the numbers we can use this side of the keys. Okay, these are the functional keys. Okay, we have to do anything, any function we can use functions. Okay, these are the shortcut keys. We have the if we want a short time do anything we can use the shortcut keys. Okay, let's start. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to feed data. Okay, when we give the instruction and we give the feed the data in the computer, we use the keyboard. Okay, instruction by pressing its key. It has many type of keys, each having different role. Nowadays wireless keyboard are also popular. Okay, nowadays wireless. I have seen you a keyboard. This is it has a wire, but nowadays a wireless keyboard is also popular. Okay, next is mouse. A mouse is used to feed data and instruction by clicking its button. Okay, a mouse through the mouse we can give the instruction just like a keyboard, but we cannot type and feed the data by the mouse. Nowadays optical and laser mouse. There are two types which are famous right now. Is first optical and second laser. Mouse are the most popular. A mouse may be fixed to the CPU box or may be wireless. Okay, let me see you the type example. So this is the mouse. Have you recognized this? This is the mouse, and this is the right button and left button, and this is the scroll button. Okay, and we can do start any work on the computer. We can give any instruction answer by clicking the left button and right button. Okay, let's start. And next is light pen. Light pen. What is the use of light pen? A light pen looks like a real pen. It is used to input by selecting object and drawing directly. Okay, it is used just like a real pen. Okay, we can write anything, we can draw anything by this light pen. And screen is such just as we draw a picture with a normal pen on paper, right? Next is joystick. What is the joystick? Have you seen it before? You have seen it many game and many webs like first joystick. A joystick has a lever. It moves in all direction and controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. The screen of the computer cursor and pointer by the joystick. Okay, it has a button called trigger. It has a button which is called the trigger that are used to click and double clicking, which is used by the double clicking, and it is mostly used while playing game. It is when we use it while playing game. Okay, next, game pad. The game pad is used while playing game. It is held in two hands. In thumbs are used providing inputs. Okay, while playing the video game, while playing the game, any type of game, on the computer we can use the game pad. It has instruction, it has a button, and by use any direction. Whenever you are playing any game, we can give all the instruction according to us, but to any direction. Okay, touch screen. The best example of touch screen, nowadays you have a Android phone. Mostly parents have the Android phone, and you have seen it. And we can use it very smartly. The touch screen is a screen used to feed data and instruction to a computer by touching on its screen. By touching its screen, we can give any type of instruction. Okay, if we are typing any messages, if we are dialing any number, if we are opening the computer our gallery by to look to see any picture. Okay, and we use our finger to point directly to object on the screen and select them. Touch screen also used not only in computer monitors but mobile phone and ATMs also have a touch screen. Nowadays ATM also are providing the touch screen facilities. Okay, next, touchpad. This is the next word, touchpad. Okay, it has a special surface which can see the movement of the finger. Okay, touchpad, we can movement of the finger. It is used to move the pointer by moving the finger on the pad. It is mainly found in laptop and computers. Okay, if you have laptop, if you have seen laptop, you'll have looked there. There is the downside of the keyboard of laptop. There is the some gap of this, and this is called the touchpad, which work of the mouse. Okay, next, scanner. A scanner is used to input directly from a page. Okay, what is the use of a scanner? A scanner is used to input directly from a page. It reads text of the picture from the pages and display them on the monitor. Okay, it is also input if we are giving, means this is the book and you want to show this text on your monitor, then you have to give this page to the scanner, and now you are able to see this page on the computer screen. This is the work of the scanner. Okay, now there are many types of scanner. The most commonly used are the flatbed and scanner is the handheld scanners. There are the two types. Okay, name flatbed scanners and handheld scanners. Okay, next is microphone. Microphone, we will discuss what is the phone. As you know, what is the work of the phone. The microphone is used to record voice of the music into computer. Okay, this is the work of the record of voice and music into the computer. And as you know, removable memory card. What is the meaning of the removable? Removable means we can remove it also. Okay, memory card which is fixed inside the camera. The image in the card can be transferred as input to the computer. Okay, as we know, we have an Android phone and we fixed a memory card into the mobile phone, and by the memory card we can store a number of the pictures and number of the photos. But whenever we have no use of these photos and memory card, we can draw it. Okay, we can remove it from our phone. According to this, we have a digital camera and we have a removable memory card. Okay, next is webcam. What is the webcam? Webcam, a webcam computers photos and stores them directly on the computer. Okay, what the means of? Listen again. The webcam computers photos and stores them directly on the computer. Okay, whenever we are working on the computer and we want to show ourselves, okay, just like a video calling. Whenever we are doing video calling by our Android phone, we are able to see ourselves and our location and objects to the direct number. Okay, to the direct person. That's according to that the work of the webcam also. The webcam of computers photos and stores that directly on computer. It is connected to a computer, so there is no memory card required. Okay, when we are calling a video call to any person, we don't need of a memory card. Okay, it controls. Some laptops have a webcam fixed inside them. Okay, there is the information. We are fixed from the outside the camera webcam on the computer. But in laptop, there is some new version of the laptop. There is the already fixed inside to the laptop. Okay, next, processing device. What is the meaning of processing device? We have a discussed here. Processing device. This is the process of working of the computer. Okay, the CPU. CPU central processing unit. The processing device. It is fixed inside the CPU